like the style and timing. For more control over the acceleration of your transition, you can open the curve editor in the timeline and customize the ease in, ease out settings. You can save transitions by right-clicking and creating a transition preset. Once you give it a name, the transition, along with its current settings, will now appear in the effects library, so you can use it again. In DaVinci Resolve Studio, the effects library also contains over 24 Resolve FX, including different blur effects, lens flare, light rays, watercolor, and more. Once you drag an effect onto a clip, you can adjust its parameters in the inspector.
In the age of airplanes, we've become explorers once again.
If you want to animate the volume, just use the mixer.
Aviation went from impossible.
Double-clicking on any channel strip brings up a pan window, including support for 5-point, showing you the image going to your video monitor. On the right is the node editor, which lets you combine multiple adjustments and effects together to create unlimited creative looks. The gallery on the left saves your looks along with a reference still. You can use the gallery to compare shots or for copying saved grades to the current shot. The bottom of the screen contains all of DaVinci Resolve's powerful color correction tools organized into a series of palettes. There's even a keyframe editor for dynamically animating grades, and built-in scopes so you can monitor the video signal as the center palette includes a variety of incredibly flexible curve-based controls that can be used to sculpt contrast and color more specifically. The custom curve is useful for making tonally specific adjustments in each color channel, or the Y, luminance channel. When your color grading becomes more ambitious, you can turn to Resolve's sophisticated secondary color correction tools to isolate areas of the image. The hue versus hue curve lets you adjust color in a more specific way, making it simple to isolate a narrow range of hue in a shot and then shift that hue to another color, like making this red plane magenta. Compared to the original shot, it is easy to see how just a few quick adjustments make all the difference.